Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change notification sound on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, for those of you who feel bored with your notification sound, don't need to be worried because Poco M7 Pro is providing a lot of notification sound with various genre that you can choose whatever you want. Alright guys, to change your notification sound is very easy, so let's do the tutorial. Alright, first now you can go to settings, and then now you can scroll down and go to sound and vibration guys. And then after that now you can go to notification sound over here, and then now you can choose the notification sound that you like. And as you can see, there are a lot of notification sound and there are a lot of genre, and randomly I choose this one. And so here's the notification sound is already changed. Alright guys, it is right, and then here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.